6 more countries are now part of Singapore's quarantine-free travel scheme for the fully vaccinated. Vaccinated travel lanes from mid-December will include Thailand and Turkey. And already the travel industry is seeing a surge in inquiries. Geraldine Yap with more.
A weekend getaway to Bangkok will soon be within reach for those travel-staffed in Singapore. The country is adding 6 new vaccinated travel lanes. The one with Thailand starts 14th December and 2 days later for Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Turkey and Fiji. All in, Singapore now has 27 air VTLs. These countries used to account for over 60% of arrivals every day at Changi Airport before the pandemic. Meanwhile, the daily quota for air travellers will also be increased to 15,000 from the current 10,000. This as Singapore reopens borders while managing the public health risk.
We will closely monitor the global public health situation, especially for the emergence of any new variants of concern, and impose additional safeguards as necessary. This is integral to our careful and calibrated approach to reopening our borders and tightening our safeguards when warranted by the latest public health risk assessment.
Travel platform Expedia says searches for travel to Thailand and the Maldives went up as much as 5 times hours after the news broke. And a travel agency says it's already getting inquiries about tours to the 6 countries.
Thailand is always appealing, to free and easy travelers. But with the new normal, we kind of see the opportunity as well for safe travels in a group tour. So that as well. I think Turkey is an interesting destination that we observe, that they do have significant interest in the Singaporean market.
In another move to support the reopening of borders, Singapore will recognise EU digital COVID certificates, even if they are issued in non-VTL countries. In the meantime, Mr. Iswaran says there's scope to expand the land VTL between Singapore and Malaysia. He adds how fast this happens depends on the public health situation on both sides.